Emmett is reading a book. The graph shows the relationship between the Y, the number of pages. Okay, so Y is the number of pages he has left to read, and X is the number of pages since he started reading. Okay, so Y is the number of pages he has left to read. So what is the initial value? Okay, what is our B, our y-intercept? What number is that? Well, it's halfway between 280 and 320. What's it going by? Good, it's 300. Okay. Sadly, that doesn't help us. All right. But something that does help us, what kind of slope is this? Negative, which means both C and D are out because those are positive slopes. Okay, so now let's find our rate of change. So we are going from 300 down to 240 and over to 2. So how many up and down is this? 60, right? From 300 to 240 is 60. From here to here is how many? 2, because we're going from 0 to 2. Okay, so I do change in Y. So up and down, over left to right, over change in X. And if you reduce X, that gives you 30. So that means our answer is A. Okay, and again, if you were the person that it's easier for you to do the Y2 minus Y1 instead of this, you can write points. That's perfectly fine. Okay. You know me, as long as you have a strategy that works for you, I'm not super worried about it. All right, so we're looking here at Lilo and Kayla. They have different functions. They both mow lawns to earn money. They use different functions to represent the amount of change in dollars for the jobs that last X hours. So who charges more per hour? So we're looking at slopes, okay? So what is my slope, my M for Kayla? 6, okay? What is my slope for Leo? Ooh, that's that one. Yeah. So up and down. Oh, I guess I can do it here. So up and down is how many? Well, it's going by 2, 4. Okay, so 6, because this is going by 2s, right? And left to right is 1. So they are the same. Miss Davy struggled when you were looking at this. The answer that you were searching for they are the same. Okay. Not really sure what I was doing, but sounds good. All right. For 16, for each babysitting job, Christian charges a set fee for a bus fare plus an hourly rate. Which one represents his function? So our hint here is the bus fare is our starting value. That's our B, right? So he has a bus fare that he has to pay. So if he comes and babysits at my house, right, I have to pay his bus fare. Even if he gets there and I go, oh my gosh, I totally forgot to text you or call you and say, we're not going on our date tonight, right? I still have to pay him because he had to get there. So I have to pay his bus fare. So is his bus fare going to be 8, 4, 3, or 0? Like, which one makes sense? A, B, C, right? It's got to be some number. So D would be out. Then I'm also going to pay him his hourly rate. So he comes there, I owe him to get there, right? But then I also have to pay him